Hey guys, excuse me. I want to talk to you today about the love of God, Abba, Jesus, and Holy Spirit, and how no matter what you're facing in life, that their love is present in you. You can tune in at any moment and notice that stream of love loving you at all times, no matter what. No matter what you do, no matter what someone does to you, no matter how you feel or what you believe, you can tune in, be tuned into, because they're always tuned into you. And so it's easier than breathing. It's just as simple as being loved on, and you're always being loved on. So I just encourage you that today, encourage you with that today. Just begin to think on how they're in you, loving you, Father, Son, Holy Spirit, and that, that's it. Just think about that, and they'll reveal themselves to you. Ask, and you'll receive.